Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul, and today I'm very excited because I'm going to demonstrate you, or I'm going to share with you a very useful application for your computer, especially who are using Notepad to taking notes. So in Windows there is a Notepad. If we type on search bar, we will get a Notepad, and we can type notes, we can save, we can type programming language also, but we do not have some exciting features like find and replace features or like automated code features. We don't have, right? But today I'm going to introduce an application with you, with the help of which you can do few steps with your Notepad. Are you excited, guys? Don't forget to press the like button. You're watching the videos but you do not do likes. Why, friends? Friends, what do you think? I'm just making these videos for myself? No, I'm making these videos, all the videos which I'm making is only for you guys. Yes, it's only for you. So if you do not support, if you do not press the like button, if you do not share it with your friends, if you do not let me know into the comment section, then from where I can get the motivation? So hurry up, press the like button, share the video, and ready to watch the video, then let me know your opinion into the comment section. If you come to my channel first time, so press the subscribe button, and we have the Telegram channel, so you can join our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is given in the video description below. So without any delay, let's start. The application name is Advanced Notepad. Whoever want to download this application, just go our Telegram channel, because I have already shared the executable file on our Telegram channel. It's free application. You don't need to crack, or you don't need to pay any single penny for this application. So let me open the application. I'm going to search bar.
Search window, search box, edit blank.
Typing the application name, Advanced ADV.
Advanced Notepad. Press right to switch.
Advanced Notepad. So I'm opening this application.
Advanced Notepad. Edit multi-line blank.
I hope you can see my screen. And now I'm going to show you one by one features of this application. First feature I want to show you is translate feature. Yes, you can do translate with the Notepad, and translation is very good. So for this I need to copy
channel description,
our channel description.
Advanced Notepad.
Then I'm pasting here. Let's see, it's in English.
Hello and welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Access to technology with accessibility. Accessible Computing is a non-profit Indian dedicated volunteer team which started its operation in Dubai Shopee on November 4 to serve the blind community to make their life easy through technology. Within this channel we share various kinds of tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to translate this. You can enable this feature by going to the alt menu, by going to the menu, or you can use the shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus Shift plus T. So I'm pressing alt menu. File submenu alt plus F.
Then I'm pressing right arrow.
Edit submenu alt plus E.
Again.
Tools submenu alt plus T.
Again. So, tools submenu. When you comes to tools submenu, you just need to press the down arrow key.
Translate submenu T.
Translate submenu. If I press right arrow,
translate the selected text.
Translate the selected text. So though it's not working properly, but don't worry, the second option, if I press down arrow,
translate the entire file.
Translate the entire file, which is the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus T, which is very working. So I am pressing enter here.
Translate text dialog. Translate from combo box auto detect collapsed.
So translate from its auto detect. If you want to select any language, if you want to, if you know the language, whichever language you want, you can choose from the combo box by pressing up and arrow key. But I keep it as it is because it can detect the most of the language automatically, most of the languages automatically. So you don't need to select from this. If I press tab,
translate to combo box collapsed.
Translate to. So here you need to select the language in which you are going to translate. So I want to translate this in Hindi, because most of the users can understand Hindi. So first I need to translate it Hindi, then I will do it again for my Bengali users. So I am typing H. Hindi. So I am pressing tab.
How would you like to get the translated text? Grouping. Replace text in the current tab. Radio button checked.
There are two options. So if you choose this option, I'm going to replace text with the current tab, which means the text will be replaced. And if you press down arrow,
put the text in a new tab. Radio button checked.
Which means this options enables you, or this options means the text which are now translated, the translated text will be appear in another tab or another file, you can say. So what you can do, either you can choose the first option or you can choose the second option. So let me choose the first option.
Replace text in the current tab. Radio button
then
checked.
I am pressing tab.
Start translate button.
So I am clicking enter button, enter or spacebar here to start the translation.
The text is being translated. Success dialog. The text has been translated successfully. OK button.
So I'm clicking on OK button. Now let's see.
Advanced Notepad. Edit multi-line computing YouTube channel me
So
accessible computing.
I hope it's now translated and it's very well translated. So because I don't know Hindi properly, so I can't tell you. So if you know Hindi, if you understand Hindi, so don't forget to let me know into the comment section it is translated correctly or not. So it is my humble request to you, those who are able to understand Hindi. Now I am going to translate the same text into Bengali again. So for this I am using Ctrl+Shift+T.
Translate text dialog. Translate from combo box auto detect.
It is auto detect. I am pressing tab.
Translate to combo box collapsed. Afrikaans.
Bengali.
Belarusian. Bengali.
So I'm pressing tab.
How would you like to get the translated text? Start translate button.
I'm clicking on start translate button.
The text is being translated. Please success dialog. The text for advanced notepad. Accessible computing YouTube englishtutorial. Accessible productive probish. Accessible computing collective
So it's quite accessible and it's quite difficult to understand because it's not very well, but still it's working. So you can translate huge text with the help of this application. Now the second feature which I want to tell you is find and replace, which is very important feature, especially for our notepad. So let me copy another text. Now I have pasted another text here, which is
greetings from Accessible Computing. Hey tech guys, Accessible Computing is announcing an online training on how can a blind person create/develop a professional website without any coding knowledge. Now making website is easy for Screenreader.
So this was a notice of our previous, we have arranged online seminar or online training regarding web development. So now I went to
Hey tech guys, Accessible Computing is announcing an online training on how can a blind person create/develop a professional website without any coding knowledge.
So without any coding knowledge. So I want to change the word coding to programming. How can I do? Just simply I am going to find and replace dialog, which is Ctrl+H.
Replace text dialog. The text to replace edit blank.
The text to replace edit. Here I am typing coding. I am pressing tab.
Replace with edit blank.
Replace with, here I need to type the word with which I want to replace the main word. So I am typing programming. I am pressing tab.
Case sensitive letters checkbox not checked.
If I want to case sensitive, if I want to do case sensitive, so then I need to check this box, check.
Replace text button.
So this is the replace text, and
replace all button.
If I want to replace all, so I need to press enter on it. So I am pressing enter here.
Text not found dialog. The text given to replace was not found. OK button.
So the text given is not found.
Replace text.
So let me check.
Not code edit without website profession web with edit coding. CODING space. Bengali English. Coding.
Okay, so before you need to before doing any task, you need to select the text. So I'm selecting, then I am typing coding. After that I am typing programming. Then I'm pressing tab.
Case replace all button.
I'm pressing enter.
Text replaced.
So let's see.
Greetings from Tech guys. Accessible Computing is announcing an online training on how can a blind person create/develop a professional website without any programming knowledge.
So the text is now there. Though I have written the programming spelling which is wrong, but still it works and it's very useful. Now I will show you another very important feature of advanced notepad, which is you can extract links and emails from any text. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus U. All the features, all the options you can find in the tools menu or edit menu. Okay, so you can explore. I'm just going with the shortcut key. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus U.
Links extractor dialog. Extracted links list.
This is the link extractor. This is the link. So if you want to copy this link, just press tab.
Copy to clipboard button.
Copy to clipboard.
Copy all to clipboard button.
Copy all to clipboard means if your text has so many links, you can copy all the links only from your text. Similarly, if I press Ctrl E,
emails extractor dialog. Extracted emails
it's
list.
the email extractors.
Email.com.
So this is the email. If you want to extract only, or if you want to copy the emails, all the emails or only the emails, you can do the same.
Copy to clipboard button.
Copy to clipboard.
Copy all to clipboard
Copy
button.
all to clipboard.
Advanced.
So you can navigate these options by using tab key and select any option by using any up arrow and down arrow key. Okay. So this is another feature. Now moving to the next feature, which is very important feature, and that is HTML code. Suppose you don't know how to write HTML code, but you want to just make the links or make heading labels. Okay, so how you can do this? Suppose I want to type accessible computing in the heading level 1. How you can type? If you know the HTML, you know the code. But if you don't know the HTML, then how can you type? You can type by using this application. How to do that? I am pressing Alt key.
File submenu Alt plus F.
I am pressing right arrow until I hear the HTML.
Edit tools HTML submenu Alt plus H.
I am pressing down arrow.
Create heading Alt plus
Create
HC.
heading. Right? Alt plus HC. So create heading Alt plus H. So if I press enter here.
Create heading dialog. Heading level combo offset collapsed.
Now here are 6 steps of heading levels. Those who know programming, they can understand. So if I choose heading level 1, then it's okay. Then I can choose the other heading levels by using our down arrow, up arrow keys. I'm pressing tab.
The heading text edit blank.
So the heading text I am tapping.
Accessible.
Accessible computing. So now I am pressing tab.
Create button.
So I'm clicking enter.
Advanced notepad. Edit multi-line less h greater accessible computing less slash h greater. Less h greater accessible computing less slash h greater.
Less h1 greater accessible computing less slash h1 greater. So if I add the total code, HTML code, and then save this document, then it will work properly. Okay, I have already tested that. Okay, so this is another very interesting feature of this advanced notepad. Now if I save this document, let's see, there are also advanced feature here. I'm pressing Ctrl plus S.
Save as file dialog. File name. Combo.
This is the file name, and then if I press tab.
Save as type. Combo box star.text documents.txt class.
So it's the text document start.txt. If I press down arrow, listen carefully.
Expanded. Save as type. List Python scripts.py.
Python scripts. If you know how to write Pythons, you can easily save it from Pythons. And
HTML page.html.
HTML page. If you want to save it, if you have written any HTML code, you can directly save from this combo box. Okay, so these all are the main and exciting features of advanced notepad, which I have already demonstrated in this video. If you feel that this video can help you, don't forget to let me know into the comment section your valuable opinion, because I will read every comments. Some previous videos I have not received any comments, so when I don't have received any comments, I think okay, this video is not helpful, or this video was just made by me, it is not accurate, or the topic is not good, so and so. Okay, so this is my humble request to you all. Whenever you completed the video, watching the video, so I'm requesting you to please send at least one comment into the comment section and give at least one like, one share, because with your support, with your blessed, we will be coming with lots of tutorials, lots of videos in future. So if you don't support, then from where I can get motivation, right? I know you can give, you will do what I have told, and I think this application is really very helpful in our daily life. So this is for today, friends. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for supporting with me, and see you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, stay blessed. This is Ratul signing off.